ever, I'm going to fly an RC helicopter upside down. At the very least, this video is going to be very entertaining. Let's go. All right, let's start the motor. Oh my God.
Oh, you got this.
This is the Flywing FW200 smart helicopter, ready to fly. GPS, and that's the only reason I am comfortable to do this today. That, and I have Nate here by my side with me to tell me what to do.
Fly the helicopter.
All else fails, just push forward and run.
Yeah, okay.
All right, this is smooth. I like it.
Smooth and easy, right?
Yeah, I know you've flown this like 3 other times on the channel because you were like mind blown. My mind was blown too. And I think this has a pretty short battery life.
It does, maybe like 3.5, 4 minutes or so. It's not long enough.
To like get to it here in a second.
You're gonna fly upside down.
It's very stable right now.
It flies like a drone, right?
Right, yeah.
It flies like a drone, but it looks like a helicopter. It's a helicopter.
Helicopters scare the bejeebies out of me.
Yeah, as they should.
Remember,
Remember, you had to fly up a little bit because it has a height restriction on. No, you don't want to go to manual mode.
Not gonna go to manual mode.
Right.
There is a switch. Right now it's in stable mode. There's an acro stability. What did it say in the manual?
I don't know.
Something. And then there's manual mode. So we're gonna try acro. That's what we think it is, right?
Yep, right in that middle switch. Just get ready to throw it back.
And then I just give it full direction.
You flick the stick.
The right stick.
There, you're in middle, and it winds up, and then you flick the right stick, and hoya, hoya, hoya. Now, shush, shush, shush.
You can tell me what to do.
Now you can fly it around like a normal helicopter.
Oh, really?
Throttle down. Like a normal drone, I should say. Throttle down, and is it opposite? It might be opposite.
You said like normal.
Well,
it's still coming down now. Yeah, it's coming down. Holy moly!
So show the people you're upside down.
And
then give it a yaw, Abby. Give full. Oh. You're okay. That was wind. That's just wind. Hold still. Hold still. Just
I'm not doing that.
Just a little windy. Flying in some wind. Look at that, Abby. You're stunt helicoptering upside down. Woo, woo, woo.
Oh my gosh. So then forward is not forward now.
It's opposite.
So all the controls are backwards. Well, that's cool because that's like real, right?
Yeah, that gets your mind wrapped around.
My mind is not wrapped around it. Oh my gosh.
But you're upside down.
I am upside down. Oh, this is trippy. Oh,
yes.
I cannot. Oh my gosh, everything is backwards.
That's all right. See if you can get it a little closer.
Which way is right and which way is left. And down is up and up is down.
You are flying a helicopter upside down.
Oh, I know this probably isn't very exciting for some of
No, it's good. It's good. This is good.
But like you guys, left is right and right is left right now. And so.
It's forward.
Oh, I
can't remember. It's been a while since I flew.
No.
Yeah, so.
Backwards is forward.
Yeah, there you go. Okay.
Up is down and down is up. Everything is different.
Do you have a newfound respect for 3D helicopter pilots?
I've always had a respect for them.
Oh, yeah.
They scare me.
They scare me too.
I don't like watching them.
I like to watch behind a plexiglass wall.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I like my head. All right, I think I need to get back up in the air, so that means I have to go down to go up.
And then you're gonna flick the stick
to go out, and then I just flick the stick. Doesn't matter which.
Any direction, yeah. It's kind of mind-blowing.
How does it know? That's what I want to do.
Isn't that cool?
What if I just made a mistake?
No, you didn't. It's got you.
Now the controls are all back to normal.
Yes.
I'm still in this acro mode.
And I think I heard a beep, so that means your battery's low. So go back to GPS mode.
Stable. And there's a return to home.
There is. You want to? I don't know if I've ever used it. Maybe I did.
Switch.
Yeah, I think it takes it there. It's going. Okay.
That's all.
But
that's all it.
Because the battery is low.
I'm crying right now, but
she's so cold. Because the battery is low, I would land it if I were you, not do the.
It's coming. Here it comes.
Okay.
Right over our heads.
That's how these things tend to work.
Rotating all by itself. It's doing all this on its own. I could literally put the transmitter down, but helicopters scare me too much to put the transmitter down.
Is it dropping down?
I think so. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Let's just hope the battery. It's cold too, so batteries aren't going to last as long.
Yeah, I knew I had a short flight time, which is why I was
Why don't you throttle down and see if it goes faster? Yeah, okay. Woo, it goes much faster.
Eason, but is it like DJI? Oh,
no, not quite. Good thought. Good thought.
It does not stop when it gets close to the ground.
I don't think it has throttle down or throw that throttle switch.
Oh, okay. stop.
There's stop. Mm-hmm.
Wow.
It's not a DJI drone, but a lot of that technology.
My mind is blown. I cannot believe that just happened. Now, some of you guys may say, you didn't actually do that, you cheated. I call it being smart. I used the technology at my disposal to be able to fly upside down. And for someone like me who has very little confidence when it comes to flight aviation, I just think this is awesome. I can really see the benefit. A lot of people say get the flight sim, practice on the flight sim, then get a real one. Skip something like this. I say if you skip this step, you're crazy. So step one would probably be flight sim. I probably should have done that first on the flight sim. Step two is this. This is real life experience. It actually made the controls like an actual acrobatic helicopter.
Yeah, reversed, opposite.
Wow. That takes so much brain power. Respect to you guys. I don't know how they do that. But I did it on the Flywing FW200. This will be linked down in the description box below. I can truly see why Nate was so excited when he flew this, because the technology is just mind blown. I love it. I'm so happy Nate said, Abby, you need to try to fly this, because it was really an experience that I needed. And maybe this can be mine. I think yeah. Nate probably wants to buy another one. We'll fly them together.
Yeah, that'd be cool. Two inverted helicopters.
He does that.
Oh my gosh.
He has to have two of everything.
Abby, you could fly inverted, and I'll fly upright below you, and we'll have our blades like an inch away from each other. Ooh.
I don't know about that. Yeah. Well, for an awesome flight, a very fun RC helicopter, I want to thank God. Without this technology, I would never be able to do something like that, or it would take me years and years and years to be able to do something like that. So for that, I'm so thankful. I also want to say a huge thanks to our RC patron family. Because of you guys, we can be fully transparent and tell you our honest feelings about all things RC that are here on the channel. And for that, we are so thankful for you. Well, I think we need to have Nate's first flight where he got this helicopter upside down, because it is a short flight time, I'll give it that. So you guys need to go watch Nate fly this upside down for the first time. It's quite hilarious. So we'll see you over there.